Hello everyone, this question appears in class 6th NCERT chapter of fractions. This is 7th question of its exercise 7.6. So the question says that Nandini's house is 9 by 10 km from her school. She walked some distance and then took a bus for half kilometer to reach the school. How far did she walk? So firstly हमें given है distance of the school from house हमें given है 9 by 10 kilometers. So now given है then she walked some distance and then took a bus for half kilometer to reach the school. Distance she traveled by bus हमें given है half kilometer. So हमें find out करना है she walked some distance. So how far she walked? So distance she walked. So जाएगी total distance of school from the house minus distance traveled by bus. So जाएगा 9 by 10 minus 1 by 2. So 9 by 10. So firstly हम denominator different है. So firstly हम इसे like fraction में convert करेंगे 1 by 2 into 5 by 5. So जाएगा 9 by 10 minus 5 by 10. So denominators same हो गए हैं. So numerators directly subtract हो जाएंगे. So हो जाएगा 4 by 10. Then हम इसे simplify कर देंगे 2 से 4 2 time and 10 5 time. So हो जाएगा 2 by 5 kilometer. So she walked 2 by 5 kilometer. Thank you.